Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really quick haul from iHerb.com for you guys. If you guys watch my videos, you know that I love iHerb. It's a great website, you know, that I order a lot of my Real Technique brushes, and the shipping to Australia is only $4, so I absolutely love iHerb. But anyways, let's get right into it and let me show you what I purchased. So I actually made two orders, but the thing I wanted to show you guys that I'm absolutely excited about is Sam's Picks limited edition gift set. And what Samantha Chapton's done is chosen 6 of her most favorite brushes, and when I saw this pack being advertised, I knew that I absolutely needed it and wanted it, because the first 3 brushes are one of some of my favorite brushes. This one, the buffing brush, is actually like my top favorite brush. I absolutely recommend this to everybody. So when I saw that she had this included in this pack, I knew this had to be mine. And I actually want to thank one of my Instagram followers. You know who you are. Thank you so much. You know, she actually told me that iHerb was carrying this, because the last time I made my order, I was looking for it and they didn't have it in stock. When she told me that she had just made her order, I'd quickly jumped on iHerb and ordered mine, and yeah, I'm so excited. After 8 days I received it, so I am really happy to have this. So anyways, let me go right into the set and what it brings. The set costs $29 and it brings 6 brushes like I mentioned. It brings the Multi-Tucks brush, which is a really fluffy brush. I actually have my other one here, and this is a great brush to, to apply blush, to do, contouring, to do bronzing, to do powder. It is just a great multi-purpose brush, but I mostly use it for blush, and yeah, just absolutely love this brush. The next one is the setting brush, and it's just a small tapered brush that you could use for highlighting, to set under a concealer. You could also use it if you want to apply one eyeshadow all over your lid, so that's a really great brush as well. The next one is the buffing brush, which I already mentioned is my favorite, and mine's super dirty. Great brush to do foundation. I just find this brush applies foundation so quickly, especially if you're in a rush. It's a great brush to use. Next one is the pointed foundation brush. It's supposed to be a foundation brush, which I think it's just ridiculous. It's just way too small to do foundation with. But to do concealing, I think it's a really nice brush, so that's what I use it for. The next one is a set exclusive, which is supposed to be a crease brush, so I haven't used that one, and that one can only be bought with this set, so I'm really excited to use that one. The last one is a fine liner brush, and I'm really excited to have that one because I do have the old one that she had out, and it's a really thick brush. It does not work for eyeliner, it's just way too thick. This one's supposed to be a lot thinner, so I'm really excited to to play around with that one. So an amazing set to give as a Christmas present to someone. I actually went back on iHerb last night to see if I can order some, and of course they're all out of stock. Supposedly iHerb had an extra 20% off on Real Technique brushes, which I didn't know, which I was really bummed about. But anyways, they're out of stock at the moment, and I'm going to keep looking, and you should guys look as well if you want to get your hands on it, because it's an amazing little set, and especially for someone that doesn't have brushes, I think this brings a great collection. So the next brush that I've been actually eyeing out for a while has been this Bare Minerals contouring brush, and I've been eyeing out this brush for a few months now, but every time I look for it, it's been out of stock. I've been wanting to get the NARS contouring brush, but that's just a little bit too much money, I think, for one brush. So I've been wanting to get my hands on this because I've heard this is a pretty close dupe, and yeah, well, I haven't used it, so I can't tell you guys what how it works or what how I feel about it. But it is really nice and soft, so I'm hoping this will be an amazing contouring brush. And this one, I think I paid $15 for this one, so yeah, I'm really excited to give that one a go. Previous order, I also picked up another Delium tool brush, and this is a 776 blending brush, and I actually am not very pleased with this brush. I have another 776 blending brush in the yellow handle, and it's a lot, I don't know if you can tell how much thicker it is there. I don't know if you can see it, but it is a lot more fluffier, and I think it blends things out a lot nicer than the pink handle. This brush is really nice to kind of put shadow down and blend out a little bit, but if I want to really blend out the shadow really nicely, I feel like it doesn't do the job properly. I have been using it, but I have found that I use my MAC 217 and the yellow 776 brush a lot more than this one. And this, I think, they're about $7.99 on iHerb. And I also picked up a blush brush from e.l.f. and this was only $3. I haven't used this brush yet, so I can't tell you much about it. But it is just, a tapered little small brush. They're supposed to blush down. I think it's a little bit small for that. I think it would be really nice for highlighting or even like precise powdering as well. But it is really nice and soft. So yeah, so looking forward to giving that one a go. And the last thing I ordered from iHerb is the Miracle Complexion Sponge from Real Techniques sponge, and I wanted to show you guys because I just ordered another 2. I'm a little bit obsessed, and you know what, I just think it's a great little sponge for $5.99. And if you don't have the Beauty Blender and you wanted to give a sponge a go, I would totally recommend this sponge, and for $5.99 I think it's amazing. There you go guys, that is my quick haul. I told you it was going to be fast. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions on any of the brushes that I purchased, or you would like a review on anything, let me know and I'll get that for you guys. Thanks again for watching guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.